First, importance of prioritization. You will never find time for anything. If you want time, you must make it. This quote reminds us that time is a precious resource that we must prioritize. By focusing on what truly matters and making deliberate choices, we can create the time we need to achieve our goals. Second, efficiency and focus. The key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. This quote emphasizes the importance of aligning our schedules with our priorities. It encourages us to focus our time and energy on activities that contribute the most to our long-term success and fulfillment. Third, taking action. The best way to get something done is to begin. This quote highlights the power of taking initiative and starting tasks promptly. It reminds us that action, not procrastination, is the key to achieving our goals and making progress. Fourth, learning from mistakes. Don't watch the clock, do what it does, keep going. This quote encourages perseverance and resilience in the face of challenges. It reminds us to stay focused on our tasks and continue moving forward despite setbacks or obstacles. Fifth, balancing work and rest. It is not enough to be busy, so are the ants. The question is, what are we busy about? This quote prompts us to reflect on how we use our time. It reminds us that being busy isn't necessarily productive if we're not focusing on meaningful tasks that align with our goals and values.